Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common concern for many people, facial hair. If you're looking for natural methods to reduce facial hair, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Turmeric, gram flour, lemon juice, and sandalwood paste. 3 teaspoons of gram flour, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, half a lemon juiced, and 2 pinches of sandalwood paste. Begin by mixing the ingredients in a bowl until you have a smooth paste. Apply a gentle layer of this concoction to your facial skin, making sure to distribute it evenly. Allow it to sit for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, cleanse your face thoroughly by rinsing off the paste using lukewarm water, followed by patting your skin dry gently with a clean towel. For best results, repeat this process every day for a full month or until you notice a reduction in facial hair. Not only does this paste help thin out the hair, but it also softens your skin and brightens your complexion. Sugaring. Next method is called sugaring, which is an excellent exfoliating technique to achieve a hair-free face for up to 6 weeks. For this method, you'll need half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and some water. Blend the ingredients until they combine into a paste. Smoothly spread the mixture onto your skin, employing gentle circular motions to massage it in. The sugar granules will exfoliate your skin, removing unwanted hair. Remember to use smaller sugar granules for better results. Honey and lemon juice. Gather 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together until well combined. Apply the concoction generously onto your facial skin, ensuring complete coverage, and allow it to sit undisturbed for a duration of approximately 20 minutes. Then take a small Turkish napkin, soak it in warm water, remove any excess water, and use it to wipe off the honey and lemon paste. Finally, rinse your face with cold water. Honey is known for its brightening and hydrating properties and can help reduce unnecessary hair growth. To achieve optimal results, repeating the procedure up to a maximum of 3 times per week. Food management for hormonal balance. Next step involves managing your diet to promote hormonal balance. Certain foods can help regulate estrogen levels, which can in turn reduce facial hair growth. Some of these foods include soya, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, dry fruits, garlic, peaches, oats, barley, lentils, mung beans, and rice bran. Incorporate these foods into your diet while considering any allergies or sensitivities you may have. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight can help reduce hormonal imbalances caused by excessive weight, such as increased testosterone levels. Hormonal imbalances can be related to conditions like PCOS and menopause, so it's important to address them through proper nutrition. Yoga poses and exercise. Let's discuss the importance of yoga poses and exercise in naturally reducing facial hair. Specific yoga poses, including butterfly pose, reclining bound angle pose, thunderbolt pose, fish pose, abdominal breathing exercises, hero pose, and frog pose, contribute to increased blood circulation in the pelvic region and assist in the appropriate production of estrogen. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.